think everyone's got facts for you. You gotta taste me. I can't see what you see. My friends, just watch your feet. Just be very careful. Look with your special eye. My bride.
Hi everyone, it's Monday afternoon. I have the day off today. I'm here with my friend Liv.
Hi.
I work with Liv at Crystal Palace and we're in Animal Kingdom. We just went on Tough to Be a Bug and then as you saw, we just saw Kevin. And now we're gonna go try to catch the kite tail show because as you may know, it is going extinct the end of this month.
So sad.
And we're celebrating a music and dance party. That's right, it's a party. So everybody, make your way to the dance floor and join the party. Come on, friends, let's have a Viva Gaia time. Viva Gaia por la mañana. María baila mujer. Just Valentina. Y María con su pandero. Valentina. Vamos a hacer la vuelta primero. Everybody hands up, come on, hands up, come on, hands up.
Go all the way down to the rest of the body. Now, I'm not sure if you saw those smaller creatures all the way in the back, but I'm going to talk about them anyways. Those are springboks, and they are a type of antelope. They're going to be the smallest antelope around. But they are incredibly good jumpers. They can get up to 6 feet high and 13 feet across. Now, as you can see, that rhino has some mud rolled onto it. Now, just like us, rhinos also have very
Hey everyone, it's Susie and I just got home from work. I worked 1 to 8:45 tonight. I had a pretty good shift today. I started by updating, then went to Cedar, Silver, went on break, came back, went to Cedar, and then closed Updater, and then went to Silver. After I was done updating, I had a good day with the characters. It was always fun. Yeah, and so Hurricane Ian is coming, so Walt Disney World is closed tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna be in our apartment the next 2 days, so see you guys then. everyone, it's Wednesday afternoon. As I told you yesterday, Walt Disney World is closed today and tomorrow due to Hurricane Ian. So my plan is just to stay in the apartment and stay safe. That's the best we can do. Right now it's around like 2. It's not that bad. It's just like drizzling and you could see the wind picking up. I think around 5 it's supposed to get bad. We still have power, which is good. Yeah, so just gonna hang out, edit some vlogs, and pass the time. This is my roommate Abby. Hi. We're out here in Hurricane Ian. Just kidding.
This is great.
We're actually just on the stairwell. We're not out there in the hurricane.
I might go out there. I want to.
I will not be going out there. I will be staying.
I think it's fun. I'll take the camera. I'll run with it. I'll take
but look at all of our friends that, I don't know if you can see them, but everyone's out there. Like, you definitely can't, but.
You definitely can't, but I swear they're out there.
They're out there having a good time.
Oh my god!
They're honestly having a great time. Everyone, it's Thursday night. I had off today again because of the hurricane Ian, so Walt Disney World was closed again today. It did get a little like windy last night. I went to bed around 1:30 a.m. and that's like when the wind started picking up and the rain. So it definitely did get like windy, but we were very lucky here at Flamingo Crossings. We didn't lose power. There wasn't really much flooding. I took a walk today to make sure my car was okay because I know people were posting about flat tires, so I went and walked and took my car. And I'll enter a video here now of like just a short video I took while like there was just like a bunch of leaves, like it's like sidewalks and stuff are dirty, but like besides that, like so you could tell there was wind. But I'll enter that now. And besides that, I had a pretty like chill day. Didn't really do that much. Edited a vlog and worked on my rhinestoning. Yeah, and tomorrow I'm going in early to work to be part of the recovery team for the Crystal Palace. So I'm going in at 8 tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's Friday night. I just got home from work. I worked a really long shift today. I was asked to be part of the recovery team from Hurricane Ian. All I did was stand outside at the podium and answer people's questions from 8 to 11. I couldn't check anyone in because we don't open till 11. So I said to answer people's questions. I guess it was more so like if people had questions about reservations because of the hurricane. Mostly people asked me where the bathroom was and like how to get to the Haunted Mansion. So, yeah, so it wasn't that bad. And then I worked until 8:45, which was soft closing, so it's a party night. So I worked 8 to 8:45, so like 12 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm a little tired, but the day went by really quick. I spent like a couple hours in Silver and then like went on break and then came back and like sat for a little bit. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's Saturday afternoon. I'm getting ready for my shift. I work 4:15 to 10:45 tonight, so I'm like the closing shift. So this morning I got up, posted a vlog, and just like swept around the house and like cleaned up our apartment. Yeah, so now I'm off to work and looking forward to a good day. Hey everyone, it's Sunday night. I worked a really nice shift today. I worked 11:30 to 6:30. I actually traded with my friend Mariah, so that's how I wound up with this cool shift. Yeah, and so I got home early. After work I went grocery shopping, and then I came home and had some dinner. I had a good day today. I started with seating, and then I went to door, and then I'm on break, came back to Silver, and then updated until my bump out. Yeah, so I had a nice early shift today. That's gonna do it for this week's vlog, and we'll see you guys next week.